Low Carbon Exchange are passionate about delivering a quality service to our clients and their customers, which is evident from the numerous testimonies we receive and the repeat and new business we secure. We focus on supporting our clients and communities and helping to tackle fuel poverty, removing carbon emissions from stock and buildings, reducing homeowners' energy bills. We also maintain and monitor systems for effective lifetime performance.
Right, the two sites at Weston are Hillsborough House and Alexandra House, both tower blocks, 7 stories high. They're the first major projects that we've worked for Alliance Homes in the area, and they're a bit of a flagship for us as an organisation. The designs that the Housing Association have chosen are very dramatic, with multiple colours on the elevations, and hopefully as a result of this work there'll be a continuation of work around this estate in other areas that belong to Alliance continuing into the future. EWI is external wall insulation. It's used for where traditional methods of cavity fill are not suitable because of the exposure of the building or because the cavity is too small in older buildings. It forms a blanket of insulation around the building, making energy losses lower than they would have been without the insulation, hopefully improving the conditions for the residents and saving them on their heating bills.
Well, the length of time varies on obviously the size of the building. We're looking for about 4 weeks to install this on this particular building, and the process begins at the very bottom of the building where you apply your base track, which is run through to line and level, normally just above damp-proof course. That gets stuck onto the wall with an adhesive, and after you've stuck it onto the wall it gets secondary pinned with a plastic plug. The actual slab is an insulation slab, so therefore you're losing less heat through the skin of the brick, and this in turn will keep the heating costs down inside, you know. Obviously after the rock wall's on, it gets the render coat, which is embedded into a 10mm. You notch your adhesive onto the wall with a 10mm notch trowel, and then you lay on top of that your reinforcing mesh, which is then bedded into the top 2mm of the notch. Once that is dried, it's fine, it gets primed, and then the final bit is the top coat on top.
It's important to have good communication with tenants all the time, because if tenants understand what's going on, they don't get upset. They know who to talk to, know if they've got a problem, who to come to. They can, if they understand the process, then at the end of the job they're generally much more happy, and we achieve a higher level of customer satisfaction.